In Power Apps, you have this amazing thing called the AI Hub, and you can see that I've created myself a custom model right here. I called it Clint Invoice Processing. So what I wanted to do is, if we look at the actual invoice itself, now I've got a sales invoice, I've got items, I've got a quantity, I've got a unit price, a shipping total, and I've also got a PO number over here. So what's important is we want to use the PO number. We want to compare items and see what this quantity is, and we're going to compare that to the quantities and items in this list. And we want to compare these expected quantities here to the quantities that we get in this sales invoice. So, and for that PO number. So for PO number one, which is these rows here, we're expected to get these products, and we expected those quantities. So we're going to use Power Automate to do that. I created my own AI model. I think you can do models in this way. I think you click on there, extract custom information from documents, custom model. So I did that one. So from the beginning, you have to have 5 invoices as a sample for it to train on. So if we go to edit the model, you'll get this here, and you have to go through 5 steps to do that. And I chose fixed template documents, and then you click on the next button. It'll ask you for those documents. It'll say, sorry, the first thing it will ask you is, what do you want to add? What do you want to get out of this? And you can see that you can choose tables, you can choose number fields, text fields, etc. I chose a table, and the table would be this bottom one down here. And I chose the 2 number fields, which are shipping total and the PO number. So once you've added those and you said, okay, I want to get these certain things out, it'll ask you where are those things in the invoice. So the next thing is coming here, it'll ask you which documents do you want to scan, and I put 10 documents in. Let's go collection number 2. You'll see that I just basically drew a little thing like that around there, and I said, what is that value that I'm looking for? And whenever you do something, for example, I'll show you, if I clicked on that, whatever's available still to tag would be over here, and then you would you would tag that, for example. I'll give an example. If I click on this one, and I think I can edit that. Oh, there you go. So it's no longer tagged. As you can see, PO number is no longer tagged. And what I can do then is sort of zoom into that and then say, this is the PO number that I want to tag. Doing the table is a little bit different. You can edit here, and you can go, this column is my item, this column is my quantity, unit price, and amount, and then you can separate and just show where the rows are, and then it'll recognize the rows. And you can see a preview of your table on the right hand side here. So that's how it's going to recognize the items within your table and the quantities and the price.